Welcome to G-Tex Designs. In this episode, we will be building part 3-22, the boiler smoke box centered tube for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-22, the boiler smoke box center tube for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Open up MNGS and let's get going. Okay, you're probably wondering what happened to 3-21. There seems to be no part called 3-21. So that's fine. Maybe it's part of another vehicle, just wasn't using this one. I have no idea. But let's get in 3-22, which is pretty straightforward. Stretch just a cylinder. So 2 circles. Mention the outside one is 70. Inside one, the inner one is 68. And the height is 66. 66. Doesn't matter what you do on this one. I did mid-plane. There I have it. And that is going to be copper. I did brush copper. I'm going to try to do these parts what they're supposed to be. Now, some of the material I may get wrong, so it's not, gospel, so don't take it for what it is. But that is part 3-22, the boiler smoke box centered tube done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Pretty quick. Enjoyed that? Click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. It does help me out, and welcome everyone who has subscribed. Leave comments below. I'll see you next episode, and remember, thank you very much.